How to disable autofill on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable autofill on Android phone. First, in open settings, and now here you can just type autofill, and then just select autofill usernames and passwords, and now just type your password here. And here all you need to do is just if you want to disable it, just click on it. And as you see, autofill usernames and passwords have been disabled. Now just go back, it will be saved. And that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.